Hi friends, I'm Tirak. You're watching Tech Me Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to install a dock icon pack on your MIUI or Poco Me mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So you just need a dock icon pack on your Poco or MIUI mobile phone. Just try this theme or try this icon pack. So you can see everything was in this theme. Icon was a docker, so you can just use it. First of all, go to the theme store. I have a selection of two themes. I can show it. So first you just need to search as iOS captured. You can just search as iOS and you can find this exact theme. So this theme contains lot of Docker icon pack. The second theme I just going to suggest is this theme, iOS Sand. So most of the icons will be on the Docker. You can see with the circle of silver thing which make your mobile phone good. So these are the two themes I'm suggesting you. So you can just easily get this Docker icon pack on your MIUI or Poco or Redmi mobile phone. I think this video had do not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful